Dr. Laksha Yadav is working as Associate Professor in the Department of Prosthodontics in King George's Medical University, Lucknow. He has 11 patents to his credit and about 72 national and international publications. He has authored a book, Prosthodontic Rehabilitation of Extraoral Defect. Welcome, Dr. Laksha.
Very good afternoon to all. And I hope everybody is charged after having such a nice lunch. And why God sir always keep this prosthetic work in afternoon sessions? Because the role of prosthodontist. Because the role of prosthodontist is such that I work with the oral surgeon, my in charge Dr. U.S. Pal, Professor Oral Surgery, and he places implant, and my role is to rehabilitate those implants. And I am the key person, a prosthodontist is a key person who can make a treatment fail. So that's why we are very important as a prosthetic part. I can fail any implant, whatever he does, or I can make an implant successful, whatever he does. That is the role of prosthodontist and the importance. So my topic is occlusion in prosthodontic, a basal implantology. What type of occlusion, what type of prosthesis, which we are providing. Ma'am has already mentioned everything about impression because it's a good one topic to deal with. It's a new thing to deal with the basal implant and a prosthodontic perspective. So I am working in King George Medical University as an associate professor, and it's city of Nawab, Lucknow, where it's a city of Nazakat, Nafasat, and a Shero Shairi. Urdu Zaban is the most popular Zuban in Lucknow. So it's a city of monuments, and we can say, और हम लोग एक तरह से बयान करते हैं जैसे कि लिखने लगे जब मोहब्बत के फसाने तो लोग शब्द ढूंढने लगे, लिखने लगे जब मोहब्बत के फसाने तो लोग शब्द ढूंढने लगे और हमने सिर्फ शहर लखनऊ लिख दिया. That is the beauty of Lucknow. So I welcome you all to our King George Medical University. That is our institute. It's a 105-year-old institute. To place this picture on a big platform is that it's a various views of King George Medical University. That is from our department. This from the department window. This view is from the boys' hostel. This is from the other one guest house. And this is from my apartment. The only aim is which we are looking to the King George Medical University. Everybody has a single aim, but a different path. That is the occlusion. Everybody is aiming to a single point, but they have a different path to define. And this different path to define a single point of occlusion is a problem, is a point of confusion. So I am here to just clear your confusion, so many doubts. If you are having any of those, I am available for next 2 days. If you have any doubt, I will try to clear those things. I want to simplify those things, not to confuse you. As ma'am has done with the impression procedures, how to do impressions. In my presentation, the main questions are how to do maxillomandibular jaw relation and what type of occlusion in circular bridges or a segment. Circular bridges we call as a full mouth cases. The main phenomena works with the implant is that we are lacking proprioception. For that, I have already published one article in 2012 that is a osseoperception, that is the phenomena work with the implants. So that has a higher threshold for any pressure sensation. So same thing applies to the implants. That's why they are sometimes subjected to osteolysis. Overload osteolysis because of those phenomena. If you are going to overload the implant, there is a bone resorption and we are landing into the failures.